got a leaky water line. Before I did this guy's pond a few years ago. Let's see. Dig her up and see what we got. But he said he knows, he probably knows exactly what it is. It's I guess they have a T going over to the barn. By myself, no ditch guy, which is fine. I mean, you know me, I work by myself anyways. What is that? Crazy how soil changes. My house is right through there. So water coming into there. Rock or something in there. Alright, I'm going to go get my muck boots on and we're going to probe around and see what we got. Alright, well, something broke. I got water in there, obviously. Water line. She sprung a leak. What I'm going to do is I'm going to pull some material back off of here. Should be good there. I need some room to throw some dirt up. And I've got a water line going here. Well, there's a couple fittings. I can't really deflect on what's going on underground, but there's a couple fittings in there, and one of the fittings are broke right in half. I can feel it. So my thought was I'll get some room here to where I can throw some material up. I can dig next to it, throw it up here on that flat, maybe get some of that water out of there. So anyways, You guys hang out. I'm gonna be a minute. All right, well, hopefully you guys are seeing what we're doing here, but it's a muddy mess. That's what happens when you get something broke. So they had a shark bite here. That's a shark bite and a shark bite, and this shark bite broke. I'm hoping we have enough pipe in here for a pack joint. And that there just makes it easier to get it apart without fighting any more than what you have to. Trying to see what happened to the pack joint, why it failed. But these might be fun to get apart because they're not meant for underground unless you tape them. So I hope we can get it apart. Oh, look at that. Son of a gun. Huh. Where's the insert? Huh. Oh boy. I didn't think that was gonna happen like that. We can cut this back a little ways. What is this? Oh boy, we got another one. We got another joint. What is that? Now that's a pack joint. Huh. Well, should we take, I don't know if I got enough pipe, but I'd sure like to get every joint out of here we can. I don't know, we might take this pack joint apart and I'll shove my 3/4 into it. Okay. Hopefully you guys are seeing all this. Let's check and see if we are in good shape or bad shape. Woo. We'll see. All right, stiffener. It looks like that was cut a little short for even the what you call it there, for the shark bite. I don't love it. I don't love it at all. I mean, I feel good. It doesn't have a lot of side to side, so oh, this stuff is plenty mucky. Let's put it that way. I'm trying to take my boots off my feet. Oh, how I don't love repair stuff because it's always wet. Yeah, we've got enough pipe in it because it's barely bumping that pipe up, and we're not changing it. Okay, gloves ain't gonna be able to live. I wonder if I can get my hoodie off with you guys on there. I don't want to drop my camera in the mud. It'd be a bad day, but I feel like I'm gonna get real dirty real fast. Oh man, taking my boots. Trying to take my boots. All right. These pipe wrenches work really good for doing pack joints. Almost wouldn't mind having two. Dang it. This stuff is so soupy in here. Okay. All right. That one's good there. Put it up here. Maybe we'll recycle that if we don't mess up the threads here. What? Oh, great. We got 1 inch. Oh, great. Huh. That doesn't do me any good at all. And I might have to run to the shop and get another stiffener, because that ain't the right stiffener in that. I don't know how that didn't leak. I don't think we put a stiffener in this. Nope. Oh, maybe I do. Oh, I need another 3/4 stiffener. No, that's a 3/4 stiffener. Well, we'll make something work here. All right. Well, heck. All right, folks. Let's turn the meter back on. Need to reset this meter. It's turned all the way over to one side. It's hard to reach the valve. All right. Line should have pressure. Check and make sure we don't have a leak, which I know the main line we do not. And this all looks good. Should have pressure over to the barn. I don't know, I could probably go over there and find a spigot and try it. We'll make sure, well, we'll have water at the spigot over there. Let's see. All right, well, I'd say this is on that barn line. So let's see. Now, I can tell you when we turn this on, it'll spit air and whatnot, obviously. We'll get dirt, we'll get clean water, we'll get a second run of dirt. You always do. And that's if it has any dirt in it, which it probably does, if I had to guess. That connection broke, and I'd be surprised if it didn't push water in, or push mud into the pipe. That should be flushed by now, though. Maybe everything that they had in the line very possibly ran out the line, because it looks like we're uphill from where we were. I mean, they're good. They got water. Let's go check our connection again, and we'll pull the Yanmar off and we'll backfill. So, oh, it looks like they've got Heck, it looks like the same camper I bought, or pretty close to it. Huh. Heck, maybe it's my camper. They might have came and took it. My house is right through there, right through the trees. If we walk back over there, you can actually see my house. That's how close we are. One of these days we'll come back and, oh, you can almost see it. One of these days we'll run back here and we'll check out that pond that we built. Or, well, we didn't build it. We mucked it out and rebuilt the dam. We solidified the dam with the muck. It was kind of a good situation, really. Gave us somewhere to put the muck. But sun's going down. That's why I left Corey a little early. Sunset's supposed to be 5 o'clock now, 5:01. Makes it hard for a guy that works for a living. But I wanted them to have water. They've got horses, so I didn't want them to run another day without water. I'd say we're good, guys. No leaks. It's tight. That's a good connection, because before what he had is he had a pack joint there on the 1-inch. Well, that was in my overdig until I dug that side off. I almost missed it, which I'm glad I didn't. I mean, it took another day coming over here, but what he had, let me take the camera off and make sure you can see what I'm doing here. What he had was, that's 1-inch pipe on the left, right there. And then he had a pack joint that went to 3/4, had a short stub at 3/4, and then he had a shark bite. Don't put them underground if you don't have to. He had a shark bite going from 3/4 to 1-inch, had a short stub of 1-inch going into a shark bite T, and the water line is over here, kind of in my footprint there. So when I got here, that was all buried, where he had the 1-inch to 3/4. Well, then inside that 1-inch, his line going to the barn over there, it actually had a 3/4 stiffener instead of a 1-inch stiffener. That's why I had to beat that in like I did. But anyways, so this eliminated a bunch of joints. He's got a T and a pack joint, and the T is also a pack joint from yesterday. So good repair. They'll be more than happy to have water at the barn now. I'm gonna pick up tools. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'll try to get yesterday pieced in. Hopefully I've got good footage on my head. I was trying to get something to where you could actually see what I was doing, but I've put a pack joint in before, but I figured I'd revisit it because we had a repair to do. But the horses, they're like, what? They must hear me talking and came running up here. They think it's feeding time. It's about that time. They're about home, so they'll be happy that they have water up here for the animals. Anyways, you guys have a good one. I appreciate you watching the channel, supporting the channel. Please like and subscribe if you haven't subscribed and you just stumbled upon my video. I do all kinds of stuff. We do excavation, utility work, repair stuff, retaining walls, brush hog work, lane clearing, all kinds of stuff. So there's a little bit of something for everybody. But we'll see you guys later, and have a good night.